Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna exactly show you how you can make money with Toloka. So here's a very quick beginner's guide. So first you have to create a free account. Just simply press login to earn, and right over here just choose whatever you're gonna use. I'm gonna go with Google, but you can choose whatever you'd like to choose, and it's actually very simple. After that, just choose your account, and that's basic. All right, now you gotta put in your phone number. So I don't use phone numbers, so just basically get the point of signing into your profile. So once you've signed into your profile, you basically need to um, take the training tests and qualification tests. The more you pass, the more job become available. Then you should start completing simple tasks like image labeling, surveys, content moderation, and AI training tasks. Focus on accuracy, higher quality work, which helps you unlock better paying opportunities. And once you've earned enough, you can go to the withdrawal section and cash out using the payment methods available in your region, and that's pretty much it. Complete tasks consistently, maintain a good rating, and you can start earning with Toloka. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this will actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.